Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, excuse me. Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you. And yet, mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. Mr. Chair.
So this month,
Interjection, Mr. Chair.
if I may.
Excuse me. Akala ko ba meron time limit dito kasi marami pang mga nakapila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then by 2 o'clock, ano na tayo, adjourn. So,
As a matter of fact, your 5 minutes, sir, is finished already. Okay.
Thank you.
But
Thank you,
may
Mr. Chair.
I interject with the indulgence of Senator Bato, Mr. Chairman? If I may, in the same topic, Mr. Chairman, with regard to COA reports, Mr. Chairman, if I may, just a few queries, Mr. Chair.
Where is na? Kasi
Yes,
nakalinya
Mr.
yung
Chairman,
mga-
because I heard, because I'm sure a lot of our people are listening and watching. Very interesting yung ni-raise ni Senator Bato. Ma'am, from COA, what's the difference between fraud audit and yung audit highlights? At binabanggit nyo, matatapos na po ito. Is that correct? Because that's the reason why the chairperson of COA is not here today, because he's finalizing it today. Am I correct, ma'am?
Your Honor, opo. Yung fraud audit po, ang result po ng kanyang, or report po na lalabas, ay yung pong audit highlights po natin. The audit highlights would contain the significant or yung key takeaways po doon sa ating fraud audit, wherein the nature of the alleged fraud and the persons liable, at saka yung mga gathered po na evidence, ang lalamanin po ng ating highlights. Kailangan po ng due process, sir, kailangan po munang ipareceive doon sa mga persons liable para po mag-comment po sila at magbigay din po ng kanilang panig.
Yes, now I understand. Okay? So, si Senator Bato, tinatanong niya yun, dun sa audit highlights, dun makikita yung nature ng alleged fraud, yung evidence gathered, and the parties involved. Am I correct? So, matatapos na po yan. Mr. Chairman, if I may respectfully move that we subpoena itong binabanggit ng ating guest from COA, yung matatapos nila na fraud highlights, immediately i-furnish ng copy itong Blue Ribbon committee, even, Mr. Chairman, even while awaiting the response of the respondents. And also, once they responded, Mr. Chairman, we'd also like to subpoena the copies of the responses of the respondents as soon as they are submitted to COA. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, excuse me. Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you. And yet, mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin, 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Teka muna, bago tayo magkaroon ng impression na walang fair dito, noon, sinabi ko na in the earliest statement na como nag-uumpisa tayo noon at kinakailangan nating mabakate ang plenary at exactly 2:15, kaya tayo nagmadali. Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, pasensya na muna. Ngayon, sa dami ng gustong magtanong, kaya binigyan natin ng tigpa 5 minutes ngayon. Kaya lang, I am following a schedule here. Ito pa yung nandito kung wala na si Senator Marcos, tapos ka na.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Chair,
I
akala ko
made
po
the
ako yung
motion,
sunod
Mr.
kay
Chairman.
Senator
I
De La
have
Rosa.
a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion.
And duly
Kasi
seconded, Mr.
tapusin
Chair.
muna natin yung bitin na kasi hindi tayo, na para tayo nagpapatintero, Madam Coa eh. Ang tinatanong napakasimple lang, paano nyong inaudit yung ghost? Bago po bayaran ng COA yan, pipirma ang resident auditor. Pati yung area auditor ninyo, meron kayong area director eh. Ibig nyo sabihin na bayaran ito nung walang pumirma na auditor?
Your Honor, ganito po yung procedure natin. Wala na po tayong pre-audit, kaya po ang nagbabayad ay ang pumipirma na lang po.
Wala
sa
akong
disbursement
pakialam sa
voucher.
pre-audit. I'm not asking you about the pre-audit. Meron kayong post-audit eh.
Yes, Your
Ito
Honor.
nangyari, ghost project eh.
Opo.
Tapos na tapos pero walang nangyari. Ang tinatanong namin sa'yo, sino ang pumirma? Bago mapirmahan yun, merong certificate of acceptance, merong certificate of completion, pipirma ang resident auditor.
Hindi po pipirma ang resident
Anong gagawin
auditor,
ng
Your
COA?
Honor. Post-audit nga lang po. Kaya po...
Ano nga yung post-audit? In your charter,
Opo.
magkaintindihan tayo. Ito yung inyong charter, sample of services listed in COA Citizens Charter. Financial audit, performance audit, compliance audit, fraud audit, special audit, notice of disallowance, notice of charge, notice of suspension. Among these, alin ang akma doon sa performance ng contract?
Opo.
Nasaan kayo?
Papasok po siya sa compliance, sir.
Sus Mariosep,
Opo.
wala nga ang compliance eh.
Ganito po, Your Honor, marami pong observation ng mga auditors natin pagdating po sa compliance nila sa procurement.
Sinong mag-a-avail ng compliance?
Hindi
Sino
pa-
yung auditee?
DPWH po sa case po natin
Oo.
ngayon, Your Honor.
So anong nangyari?
Marami pong observation ng mga auditors natin, sir, pagdating po sa compliance nila ng 9184.
Kapag ba ang chairman mismo pumunta rito, he can present better questions than you, answers than you?
Pareho lang din po yung isasagot, Your Honor. Kasi ganun
Pareho
po
ang
yung proseso
isasagot.
natin. Opo.
O, sandali lang. Let us follow the...
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair.
I'm now being tempted to raise a point of order, Mr. Chairman. I made a motion duly seconded, Mr. Chairman,
kasi nga kung...
to subpoena, Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman, today, Mr. Chairman. I'm asking it today because they said they
if
will
that
finish
will
it
help us,
today.
okay. Any second?
Second.
Yeah, it was already seconded, Mr.
Oh, there's a motion and there's second. The motion is approved. Then let's
Thank you,
continue
Mr.
with
Chairman.
the questioning.
Mr. Chair. Sir, kasi yung 5 minutes ko, maraming sumingit. Last na lang, isa lang.
Hindi, kasi wala,
maiksi.
hindi na makakaano itong mga kasama natin.
Yeah, with the permission of
baka mamaya
Senator
sabihin
Tolpo.
na naman, unfair
Senator
tayo.
Tolpo, maiksi lang. Maiksi lang. Ha?
Di ba, Mr. Chair?
Kasi
ako
sabi ng,
susunod?
Mr. Chair, sabi ng COA,
Teka muna, with the permission of Senator Tulfo.
okay lang?
Clarification, Mr. Chair. Akala ko po ako yung
Oo nga,
kasunod
kayo na po ang
ni
susunod.
Senator
Kaya
De La
lang, ang
Rosa.
daming ayaw pang bumitaw. Wala
Hindi,
tayong
hindi.
mga-
Hindi ho,
Marami
naghihintay
kayo
naman po
last
ako.
na daw, last.
Tinatanong ko
Oh,
lang po yung
last.
sequence.
And then
Salamat,
last,
Mr.
and then
Chair.
Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Pagkatapos wala na si Senator Amy, Senator Rapi.
Yeah.
Sandali lang, ikaw na muna.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, considering that this representation is part of the leadership,
Okay.
Priority,
may we find
priority,
out, Mr.
priority.
Chairman,
Okay.
the list of...
Last question, then Senator Risa. Wala na si Senator Marcos, Senator Joel, Senator Rapi, Senator Robin, magkano ka? Senator Robin. And then Senator Mark. Okay. In that order.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Proceed, sir. Proceed.
Ma'am COA, sabi mo kanina, kaya hindi pa kayo nakapag-file ng kaso dahil itong mga ghost projects na ito ay 2025 nangyayari. Am I correct? At you need time para...
Sir, for
Makapag-file ka.
clarification, isa po doon sa mga ghost projects na na-mention, sir, ay 2025. Pero sa iba po, hindi ko po masigurado kung anong taon.
Okay, ganito. According to COA Annual Audit Report 2023, 2023 ito, it was observed that various infrastructure projects with aggregate cost of 5.716 billion were declared as 100% complete on the report on publicized government programs, projects, and activities and project status monitoring reports of DPWH implementing offices despite the deficiencies or defects noted upon actual inspection and validation thereof. Ibig sabihin po, sa regular annual audit ng COA, nakikita na ang mga mali-maling report ng District Engineering Office ng DPWH. So itong mga 2023 na mga problema, wala pa kayo napailan ng kaso nito?
Your Honor, yung iba po dyan kasi, kinorek na nung contractor yung mga noted deficiencies. Yung iba naman po, nagbayad na po yung mga persons liable. At doon sa mga nakorek, kahit nakorek po, meron din pong mga pinataw or nakolektang liquidated damages po.
So, meaning, wala talaga nakasuhan. Kasi naayos nila. Naayos nila ito lahat. Kasi 5.716 billion pesos na projects. Sabi, maraming deficiencies. Tapos,
Po yung
wala
total-
nakasuhan.
Yan po yung total contract cost, Your Honor, yung 5.7.
Yes.
Opo.
So, wala nakasuhan ito.
Itatanong ko po kasi, Your Honor, consolidation po yan sa lahat ng regional and district engineering offices.
Yes, I hope, ma'am. That's your mandate. That's your mandate.
Kukunin po namin sa mga regional auditors
Yeah,
po
gawin
natin
po ninyo.
kung meron po silang mga finailan po para po dyan.
Salamat,
Opo.
ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
po,
you
Your
very much. Mr. Chair, I'm done.
Thank you.